Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today I'm going to be detailing this 2010 Dodge Ram 1500. It's used on a daily basis, and it's a work truck. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Now listen closely.
Start telling me what's going on.
No. Now it's time for Sponsor Chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. Okay, so I just finished up the detail on this Dodge Ram pickup truck. The paint, I had to polish it because this color is just seriously a very pretty color. It's got multiple colors, metallic flake colors in there. I had to polish up the paint because it looks too good not to polish up. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.